So a couple of you have already replied saying you would like to see a video. I'm actually going to use some real data that I am using for my dissertation research, and we're going to just do two different standard deviations. We're going to do a population standard deviation, and we'll do a sample standard deviation in Google Sheets just to distinguish between the two. So for this column that I'm looking at right now, it says GPA. If I type in just equals STDEV, this is the sample standard deviation. I'll highlight my set of data and simply hit enter, and there is my sample standard deviation, 0.599. If I want to do, and I'll indicate this right here, that is my sample. And if I want to do the population, so remember the sample standard deviation, what we talked about today, the difference between that and the population is that n minus 1 in the denominator underneath the radical. So here we have the population. And if I want to calculate the population standard deviation, it's going to also be equals STDEV point P. Okay, so that point P tells Google Sheets that you're looking at the population standard deviation. We highlight our data again, hit enter, and we get 0.5843. So you can see there is a negligible difference between these two standard deviations. If we looked at, say, the golf course problem from earlier today, then we would notice a bigger variance between the two deviation or standard deviations that we're evaluating. But I hope that this was kind of helpful with coming up with the two different types of standard deviations we're going to deal with in this class. Unless you guys happen to be able to hit up Jaron. He supposedly has 50 of these calculators laying around his house, so maybe y'all can ask Jaron for a calculator. Otherwise, Google Sheets is going to be your friend. Have a great night, guys. It is pouring the rain here at my house. I have satellite internet, so I don't know if I'll be able to get this video uploaded before everybody lays their little heads down to go to sleep, but I'm going to try. You guys take care.